Hey man, you know what I watch.
Well, my people, I'm here again. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Yeah, I have information to give to you, but first up, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a motor vehicle that went off the road and into what some people might call a trench. Yes, I'm about to present a video to you that's going to show a motor vehicle that somehow went off the road, and the video actually shows the motor vehicle in a type of trench. Now, some people within the country of Jamaica might call the trench a gully. Depending on where you're at in the world, you might call it a different type of name. So the incident happened within the country of Jamaica. I didn't get any confirmed information to determine about any fatality or any injury, viewers and subscribers, and I want to say to each and everyone, please be careful when you're using the road, whether you're a pedestrian or a motorist. Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
Yeah, we're not gully, eh? Yeah, we're not gully from Collison Drive at 7th Street. What is, man? My God, hey, my driving easy at all. Me not know when we try to go like man, no. Why? Yeah, man, brother, look, you want to drive when I sleep. Car in a gully, me don't know what I'm going here. Yeah, for Collison driver, yeah.
One hopes everybody alright still. Now, I'm going to present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and this video is going to show some things that happened at the scene of where a man had been shot and killed in Westmoreland, Jamaica. So based on information that I got, it is said that the man was operating a motor vehicle, and while he was operating the motor vehicle to go wherever he wanted to go, he had been approached by at least one person who opened fire, hitting the person several times. So at some point, police had been notified about the situation, and subsequently he died. The incident happened on Saturday, viewers and subscribers, and I also got unconfirmed information as to whether the person was either going or coming from his own premises, but that information to me is unconfirmed. Now, I am going to present the video to you so that you can have a better understanding about this situation. And please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video.
I'm telling the people right now, Nigel there now one more crime and violence, brother, in a Nigel right now out of Namprel. I'm telling you right now, Nigel gone to his dog right now, brother. Nigel gone to his dog right now. Right now, I think can help Nigel right now, brother. A prayer. You no matter if you're a sinner, brother, no matter if you're a Christian, just pray, my brother, just pray. Because that can help Nigel right now, brother. The thing gone to his dog, brother. You see me? People right now just say a minute and can pray, because one prayer can carry through the day, brother. One prayer can carry through the week, brother. You get what I say? I just pray, my brother, because see that one more crime and violence, brother. You see me? Just pray, brother. Pray for yourself and one another, brother. You see me? In a real life, brother. Yeah, man.
Now, I got the understanding that an incident that happened within the country of Jamaica, where it is said that a group of persons robbed a business establishment while wearing clothing that look like police and soldiers' uniforms, somewhat reignited public concerns and debate about the integrity of existing processes implemented by the police and the army to ensure that their uniforms do not fall into the hands of criminals. So I got the understanding that this huge concern somewhat have been reignited because of an incident where it is said that a certain number of persons armed with high-powered weapons and dressed in certain clothing that look like police and military uniforms escaped with an undetermined sum of cash following a daylight robbery of a business establishment in Linstead, St. Catherine, Jamaica. There's also a video that actually shows some of the things that happened on that day when it comes on to the robbery. The robbery is said to be of a pharmacy, viewers and subscribers. So I read a news article that said that some former members of the JCF said that there has been a breakdown in the enforcement of the policy for quite some time, noting that it was now a common practice for cops to not return issued uniforms and gear. Sometimes they say ex-cops ask family members to turn in uniforms and other government-issued items on their behalf, but they don't always follow up on it. They used to force you to hand over your stuff even when you were going on vacation. Now it's like happy-go-lucky, said an ex-police or an ex-cop. The same article said that you don't necessarily have to hand over anything. They just give you the leave pass and you are good to go. There is no enforcement, said one constable still enlisted in the JCF. And me I say this, at the article me I read, I said this. See? So the article said one former police sergeant who submitted his resignation letter while on vacation overseas confessed that the uniforms issued to him are still at his home in Jamaica. My people, I'm not the one saying these words. It's an article me I read. See? So, the same article said that earlier this year, a man posted pictures of what appeared to be police uniforms on a social media platform saying he did not return them because they were not issued by the JCF, but they were purchased with his own funds. You hear that? And me I say these words, my people, me I make you know, and me I say these words at the article me I read. See? And the several persons claiming to be former cops commented on the post saying that they too had uniforms in their possession and would only return them if they were being refunded. Well, let me go through this as quick as I can. Other users of the platform boldly offered various sums to rent the uniforms. Yeah, I hear them my words, my people. I'm not the one saying these words, you know. A part of the news article said this now, Zane, and listen good. Some former members of the JDF shared that strict enforcement of the military's policy makes it extremely difficult for soldiers to hold on to uniforms and other equipment when they leave. It is said that one former member said 2 weeks before the resignation of a soldier takes effect, they are presented with a checklist of all items, including uniforms, that must be handed over before they are issued with a clearance certificate to leave the army. Confirmation of the items have been returned goes through a multi-layered system with officers assigned at each stage to ensure that uniforms, weapons, lockers, and areas of responsibility are intact. You need all the necessary officers to sign a document saying that you turned in everything and everyone put their signature and an official stamp. It is said that he said that failure to account for uniforms or any parts of the weapon issued to each soldier constitutes a criminal offense. Another part of the article said that Senior Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay acknowledged, however, that police men and women are issued with uniforms annually are based on the need for new ones, and insisted that there is a robust policy that covers the management of uniforms, and that she said that all uniforms are destroyed once they are returned to the police stores for replacement, and that members who are placed on suspension or resign are required to return all government issued items, including uniforms. Well, I think that is somewhat obvious in my point of view. I think so. I think so. There's more to this news article that we look at. So may I say, and we get the understanding that there's more to some concerns about law enforcement uniforms falling into the wrong hands. Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers, and big up and respect to each and every one. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.